currently in an early trade at the moment, but the setup is clear. Targets are clear. This is a pretty good setup. I liked how we closed here. My only thing is this hourly barely made a wick, but it still made a wick nonetheless. This one made a better wick here, but yeah, it's still valid. Currently have an SMT going here. Don't know how effective it's gonna be. You see displacement low. Down more on this account, kind of oversized on this one. I mean, it wasn't that big of a trade. It was gonna be like a $300 trade, but oh, hold on, let me get that. Cause I only have 3 at the moment. Yeah, it had 6 there. So I was just trying to scalp this shit. But yeah, I just closed like half of it, so that if it does get taken out, you know, it isn't gonna be too much. I'm tempted to move my stop up here. At this point, we should just leave this thing open now. Yeah, let's do that. I'm trying to see this. Yeah, nah. If price comes back up here, it's probably gonna come up here too. So yes, it's a valid area. We ain't close below that, but here we did, you know, we have clear liquidity. Pretty small trade, which is good. I'm gonna keep adding more to it though, once I start seeing more and more confirmations. Yeah, I don't want this candle to, you know, take out this wick here. The safest stop will be up here because that's where the SMT is. But what I could see, yeah, I definitely don't want to see price come up here again. I mean, it is still possible that, you know, it could come up here and then go back down. But yeah, no, that's not something we want to see, especially with this type of price action here. I like that close. And add more. Add more to this. Overall target will be this low. How much I got right now? 4, 3, 4. Okay. Next time we'll be closing below here. This is like really tight stops. Okay, yeah, we definitely shouldn't see price come up there again. To me, at this point, this is established now. I'm trying to see. Yeah, we got a CSD right there. Maybe for this 5 minute. I want to see this close below this low here. Well, at least the next candle will do it. might not hold it all the way. Maybe just 50% of this here. So what is this low anyway? 10 a.m. low.
Order filled.
Pretty confidently, probably. Hold on, because this is like an old fair value right here. Maybe like 50% of that. It's a pretty shitty fucking trade.
Order
I
filled.
like that. I like that trade right there. I don't know how easy it would be to slice through this slow. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I want to see it close below that though. I like that 15-minute close right there. This might be the most we ever gonna see it. Alright, bro, this thing is slowing down my charts. I might have to close this. Yeah, I might have to close this. I think it's because of this shit here.
Order filled.
Add more.
Order filled.
Alright. Yeah, he ain't got no SMTs doing there. Know what I'm gonna do actually? I'm gonna hold this trade until we can take this here on the ES. Yeah, I'm gonna put another one right. So currently 6 in. Okay. Yeah, it was definitely the stream that's fucking slowing it. How can I like make it stop connecting to this, to the stream like automatically? Because that's pretty annoying. Might be a long video, man. My only thing would be is if they take out this low and just start retracing back up. No, we tapped into that. No, we already did. But it's clear that price looks like it wants to take this out at least. This would be a good re-entry, but I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna re-enter. Yeah, this low at least on the ES should be the target here. Let's plot this here. So that's what we got going on. I don't like that. You know, SMT. I wouldn't consider that as an SMT. So we look at the daily here. Opened here, run up, drop down. So yeah, 18 opened here, run up, just been straight dunking. Nice CISD. It didn't make, the greatest of a retracement. Yeah, that's kind of, probably want to be careful actually, because what if they want to retrace? They're in New York. Could happen. Just retrace and then boom. That is possible. It's very possible. You can get a nice displacement below. I'll move my step up here. Is it streaming again? Yeah, I fucking knew it. The fuck, man? Keeps fucking streaming. Shit really slows down my recording. I mean, no. It's like pretty much everything slows fucking my whole computer down. Honestly, if price closes above this fair value, I'm gonna close it. So I'm looking at this hourly, man. We've just been, running down, running down, running down. We're tapping into this area again. Okay, so this could be like susceptible to a retracement and then dunk back down. It's very possible. And it's also very possible that we can get two nice, bearish candles, take out these lows. You don't even have to take out this low. ES could just take it, and then, we can make a retracement here, and then NQ follows suit and takes this low. That could happen too. Well, that's what I'm looking out for. So far, I like how it's going. I want to see a nice displacement through this though, before I put my stop up here. So we got a nice SMT with these. Like I said, what makes an SMT valid is displacement. Took out that low. Gotta watch out for that. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Really like that wick. Nice CISD. Yeah, this one I'm gonna move it. Because I definitely don't want to see price start running back up there. So at this point, this is a cheap ass trade. There it is. Gotta watch out. Keep my stops there. I'm not gonna fucking do any break even point right now. So do believe ES should also take out that low. If not, then It's cool. Let me get a nice closure below here, and I might add one more. It's pretty nice right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Get me out. That was a decent trade. I don't like. Okay, that's the reason why I took it. We're playing around this whole area here. We're at 50% of this wick. That's not always that. That's not always accurate. 50% giving you like complete reversals. But we have this old fair value here. We've been respecting this fair value. And ES didn't take out this low yet. That's another thing. So yeah, it's really mainly because of this fair value here. This is making me uneasy. It's like I said too, we've just been dropping the whole fucking night with no significant retracement. Not even like a tiny bit of retracement. You know what I'm saying? And I already said beforehand, I think we are gonna go down here, but I'm not that confident, of it. ES probably is gonna take this, and Qdo, I don't know. I'm not too sure. I could probably just get another re-entry somewhere. Probably once we close below here, man. I want to see you close below this, because this is really the main thing that I was looking at. The 50% is just another thing, you know what I'm saying? It's just like another confluence. But it's this fair value here that I'm looking out for. Because like I said, bro, we've been tapping this fair value before. Tap, 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 tap. Deep ass tap. And it's just been respecting it. That's one. Two, this. Not that significant, but still. That. Three, no clear retracements here. Maybe if we had we took this out and then we had a nice retracement down here, and then I got in here, then yeah, that would be perfect. I'll be a lot more confident holding it down here. But we didn't get that shit. Feel what I'm saying? You see that? The reaction it's giving me. I mean, this thing can still continue going lower, like I said. And also the fact that it's not even that open yet, man. So, and like I said earlier too, we could just run back up and then drop down. They can make fucking the morning session be the retracement, and then the afternoon take the low. You could easily do that too. I'm just trying to be as well, let's just say proactive. You know what I'm saying? Because when I don't have full confidence in my trade, I don't like that type of trade. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it was still a very solid trade. This was a great trade. But my overall target, I'm not too confident with it. So we have this big ass zone here with the fucking fair value that hasn't been disrespected. Now, if we close below this fair value, then yeah, I would be 80% sure we're gonna take this low. So we currently have this here. I mean, ES should be able to take that low. I'm trying to find another re-entry here, but I really wouldn't be that confident until we close below here. Even if we trade here, That ain't bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna just end this for now, and then I'll be back later. All right, guys. I'll make this real quick and simple. I just got that. As you can see, I'm up 5. As you can see, my decision of cutting the trade here was perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had a feeling that I didn't expect all of this, okay, to be honest. I had a feeling that, it was too hard to get down here. And we have all this down here. So I was like, yeah, we probably not. I mean, at that point, I still believe we were gonna take that out, but it wasn't gonna be easy, okay. But basically, so we took that out. It would have been nice if we got in here. But at this point, I was still bearish at this point. I didn't see any longs at the moment because everything was fucking bearish as fuck. Like I said in the first part of this video, which I'm gonna be combining, like I said, like there was a possibility that the morning was gonna be a retracement to continue down. That's not what it's doing right now though. So as soon as I saw this volatility, I was like, damn, this shit is fucking aggressive as fuck. This was gonna be the only thing I was gonna be looking at, and then we can short it again. But no, price had another plans, bro. Just kept going up and up. I was like, whoa, what the fuck? And we were so close to these highs up here. I mean, these are like PD arrays in itself, but you gotta understand what these highs are. We got London, we got Asia, and we got fucking. I think we had like, let me see. We also had midnight up here somewhere. Well, midnight's up here, but yeah, we had like Asia high up there. I was like, damn, price is extremely aggressive towards the upside. And we have these up here. I was like, yeah, we probably gonna take that out. Sad part about this, I was trading all towards this whole zone here. Prices wanted to like just fuck around before going up there though. So that like little 200 profit that I had I kind of gave it most of it away. I still had a little bit, but I gave most of it away, which sucks. As you can see, did I short? I think I shorted here too. Yeah, I think I did put a short here. It was a very small short though, cause I didn't expect any of this shit. Well, basically, I already anticipated that price was gonna close below. I mean above here. I already knew that. And we were making SMTs here with fucking nice what do you call that? Nice displacement. So throughout this whole price action here, I was taking trades. I think I had a trade down here too. I think I'm not too sure, but yeah, my last trade before the final trade was here. I put my stop here, and then I was looking at the 15, towards the close of the hourly, and it wasn't looking too good, so I closed it. And as you can see, I closed it before this low was gonna get taken out, and as you can see, it was the right choice. Then finally, after all of that shit, SMT here, we had this tapped all the way inside this fair value, made an SMT, then started reversing back. I was like, yep, it's more than likely gonna go after that high now at this point, because they're not just gonna manipulate that shit like that and then immediately fucking turn around. So I dropped 6 contracts. I was so confident that that high was gonna get taken out at that point. Dropped 6, and here we are. I'm not up as much on this one, but it's okay though. So I'm up pretty much an extra like $200-300 from this one here. Now, if I didn't give any of that back, that would have been nice, but I kind of got chopped up a little bit here. In hindsight, I could have just put my stop below this low, which I'm pretty sure that was when I took this trade here. This candle, 533. We have 527. Yeah, I think I had my stop like below here. So yeah, in hindsight, I could have just did that. Just did that. Put stops here, and then held it there. But when you're fucking looking at the charts and it's moving and shit, you're not just gonna be. I mean, some people are probably like that. They're gonna be so firm and shit. But that's not me at the moment. So that's why I kind of gave some of it back. Well, most of it. But overall, it's been a great day. I don't see anything else here. All the targets have been met. You could say we probably gonna take this out, but like I said, same deal here. To me, it's just high resistance. At that point, we just been running up, bro. We ran down all night and did all this shit in a span of like 30 minutes, bro. So I don't expect this shit to like just slice through that high. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it for me. Great day, man. Now that I think about it, I should have just fucking I should have just recorded that because that would have been great data for me too to look back to. But I mean, I pretty much covered it here, what I did here. So I should be able to like understand and remember what I did. But yeah, now that's it, man. It's a great day, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.